It's our first time picking up a moth.
It's in that cup.
So we're going to use another cup to grab it. We're going to stick it in there. Right, Arina?
Yep.
We're going to have some. I'm scared, guys. It's my first time picking up a moth. So, hi everybody. It's our first time picking up a moth. And my sister's going to record me. There. Just don't mind our room. Now you can pause it. Okay.
That was
Scary. I'm
12. 7.
my sister is